In today's video, I'll be showing you the first 5 practical things you can do with Claude in Excel that can immediately save you time and effort. Let's start with the first one, cleaning up messy user data. Here in Excel, you'll see a sample file containing a username, subscription type, sign-up date, and monthly streaming minutes for Spotify users. At first glance, the data looks usable. But once you take a closer look, you'll notice it's actually very inconsistent and messy. For example, the subscription type has inconsistent capitalization. Some entries say premium or free with capital letters, while others are written in lowercase. The date formats are also mixed. Some start with the year, while others start with the month. On top of that, the usernames are inconsistent as well. Some have lowercase first names, others have uppercase last names, and some even contain extra spaces. To fix all of this using Claude AI, you simply paste your prompt into the text box below. For example, you can ask Claude to clean up the data, specify how you want the words premium and free to be written, define proper capitalization rules for names, remove extra spaces, and standardize the date format based on your preference. Once your prompt is ready, click the arrow or send button and wait for Claude to generate the results. While it's processing, you'll see a summary explaining everything Claude is fixing. If Claude encounters an issue, it will ask you a follow-up question. For instance, if a date is invalid, Claude will ask what the correct date should be. Just enter your answer, send it again, and wait for the process to finish. Once done, you'll see that the warning is gone, meaning the issue has been resolved. As you can see, the capitalization is now consistent. The usernames are properly formatted, and all dates follow the same format. The second thing you can do is generate Excel formulas from plain English. In this next sample file, you'll see columns for user ID, username, plan type, premium revenue, streams, playlist ads, and Spotify referrals. The last 2 columns, engagement score and bonus tier, are missing, and we'll use Claude AI to calculate them. Sometimes you already know what you want to calculate, but writing the actual Excel formula can take time. With Claude AI, you can skip that part completely. First, clear the chat history by clicking the icon and selecting Clear Chat. Then, paste your prompt into the text box. For the engagement score, type or paste your prompt, for example, create a formula in column H to calculate an engagement score. The score should be streams count times 0.5 plus playlist ads times 2 plus referrals times 10. Click send and wait for Claude to generate the formula. Once it's done, you'll see the engagement scores filled in automatically. If you click on cell H2, you'll see the exact formula Claude created. Next, for the bonus tier column, paste your prompt again. For example, create a formula in column I that assigns a bonus tier. Elite if premium revenue is over $15,000. High if between $10,000 to $15,000. Medium if between $5,000 to $10,000. And standard for under $5,000. After it finishes generating, the bonus tier column will be populated instantly. It's a perfect nested if statement. No Googling syntax, no trial and error. You just describe what you want and Claude writes it for you. The third thing is creating pivot tables and charts instantly. In this file, you'll see raw data, and let's say you want to analyze revenue by region. Instead of manually building everything, just type or paste your prompt. For example, create a pivot table showing total revenue by region, then make a column chart from it. Send it, wait for Claude to finish, and once it's done, you'll see a new sheet created next to your data. Open it and you'll find both the pivot table and the chart already built, showing total revenue by region visually and clearly. Let's try another example. Paste your prompt again, like this for example. Create a pivot table showing daily streams over time, Then create a line chart showing the trend. When you open the new sheet again, you'll see a pivot table and a line chart displaying daily streaming trends over time. Just like that, another analysis is ready to go. The fourth thing you can do is explain complex spreadsheets. In this example, you're looking at a subscription revenue model. Not every formula here is easy to understand, and instead of spending 30 minutes reverse engineering it, you can just ask Claude. Type or paste your prompt, like for example, explain what the formula in cell E4 is calculating. Send it and wait. Claude will clearly explain what the formula does. In this case, it calculates the net revenue for the premium individual plan by accounting for base price, volume discount, and platform fees. Let's try another one. Paste your prompt again, for example. What does the formula in cell F4 do, and what are the different outcomes? Claude will respond with a detailed explanation. For example, it explains that cell F4 contains a nested IF formula that assigns a forecast status label based on the net revenue value. This makes understanding inherited spreadsheets fast and painless. The fifth and final thing is automating repetitive tasks. Here you'll see a weekly podcast performance report. Imagine that every Monday morning, you need to process the same report with the same formatting and analysis steps. Instead of doing it manually every week, just paste your prompt. Let me give you an example. Do the following to this podcast report. 1. Highlight any row where the release date is more than 7 days old in dark yellow. 2. Sort by plays in descending order, highest to lowest. 3. Add a new column I called Performance Rating that shows excellent if completion rate is over 0.80, good if between 0.70 to 0.80, and needs review if under 0.704. Add a summary row at the top showing total plays and average completion rate. 5. Format all headers in bold with gray background. 6. Make column widths auto-fit the content. Click Send and wait for it to load. Once it's done, you'll see that older podcasts are highlighted in dark yellow. The data is sorted by plays. Performance ratings are calculated. A summary row appears at the top. Headers are formatted, and column widths are perfectly adjusted. Always double-check the results, and if something needs adjustment, you can simply follow up with another prompt to fix that specific issue. So to recap, here are 5 ways you can start using Claude in Excel every single day. Clean messy user data exports, generate complex formulas from plain English, create instant pivot tables and charts, understand inherited spreadsheets and financial models, and automate weekly reporting tasks. Claude turns Excel from a manual, time-consuming tool into a smart assistant that works with you. Whether you're cleaning data, writing formulas, building reports, or automating repetitive tasks, Claude helps you get more done with less effort. If you're using Excel regularly, combining it with Claude isn't just helpful, it's a productivity upgrade you'll feel every single day.